Stuart Lawn. I'm the founder and owner of Fab Lab Manor Hamilton. So this week we've been running a workshop with kids here. The Microbit is a little kind of one board, has everything computer, jam-packed with features. It has a lot of the features that you'd see on like a smartphone. We're getting them to sort of program a game using the accelerometer, the motion detector to do a rock, paper, scissors game.
We've been learning how to use microbits and program stuff onto it.
So we had to program to say hi.
To have a full conversation with each other in Morse code and then figure out what everyone's saying.
I think it's really important that Sligo gets recognised as a digital town because it is rapidly becoming the Silicon Valley of the West. It's great that the .e domain register is picking Sligo as a digital town. An initiative like this is really designed to kind of like inspire these kids to become the kind of tech entrepreneurs and sort of like become the creators rather than just the consumers of technology, which is what we really want to see.